right in the load. We'll see this later. Oh my god. And it's coming in like 5 minutes. I was able to make it that keen. Oh. Guys are always so full. Everything's always full.
27分発です。
Thank you for using JR West.
뒤에 있는 아줌마들 재생.
Okay. Okay. In a corner. Thanks. Thank you. Arigato.
It looks good.
How does it taste? You've tasted it.
Very good. In the morning, that one was very nice.
I get seasick easily, so I usually avoid.
Really?
Yeah, I can't do. But you have the same name as my brother, like Khalid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. And you?
Suhaila.
Sahila?
Suhaila, yeah.
Suhaila. Okay. I was just for like a hijabi class.
Normal.
Yep. Are people like racist?
No.
No? Totally not?
Like nothing like that.
It's really a big thing.
Nice prayer mats. Oh, thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Gosh, I'm so unhealthy.
¿Qué tipo de fauna hay por acá? Están así como
If you ever come to Arashiyama bamboo forest, come after 6 or after 5:30. Like, it's legit 5:30 and on a weekday, and it's empty. There's hardly anyone here. So not in the mornings, especially not during the day. Around this time is so beautiful and there's less crowds. Hi guys, I'm gonna go wash my clothes, right here. Here's the clothes. I'm just too tired to put on actual clothes to go down to the laundry place. I'm wearing my sheet. And what? Or bati, whatever, however you say. I say sheet. It's comfortable, and like most of my stuff, I'm washing a lot of clothes. So the Arashiyama bamboos, peace and quiet. Like there was people, right? But then it was fairly empty compared to like the YouTube stuff. On YouTube, how I've seen people, like the crowds, and when I went there and there's no crowds, like alhamdulillah, today was good outcome for me. Alhamdulillah. Now you know, not early morning. The trick is, I'll give you the tip, after 5:30, dead. And it's open 24 hours, by the way. Did you know that? The bamboo thing is open 24 hours and it's free.